Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your name on OnlyFans. Just to be clear, this method changes your display name, which is the name people see on your profile. First, open the OnlyFans app or website on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. If not, you can log in using the same method you use when signing up. Once you land on the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. This will show a small preview of your profile along with different options. From here, tap on my profile and you will now be redirected to your main profile page. On the profile page, tap on edit profile option located beside the share icon. This opens the edit profile screen with different fields. Here you will see two name fields, username and display name. From here, tap on display name where your keyboard will automatically open. Now make sure to delete the old display name and enter your new one. After entering the new name, tap down on your keyboard, then tap the save button located at the top right corner. And you will also get a confirmation message regarding that the display name is successfully updated. And that's it, your old display name has now been successfully replaced with the new one. And you can just go to your profile page to review the changes. As you can see that it is successfully applied. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.